Opening hook. Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. The future of hotel energy is here, and it's powered by the sun. In this course, you'll discover how to supply, install, commission, operate, and maintain solar PV systems perfectly suited for hotels and resorts. Get ready to power comfort, save costs, and protect our planet, all at once. Why solar for hotels? Hotels thrive on reliable power, but energy costs can be sky-high. Solar PV changes that. It helps you cut bills, boost your sustainability score, and impress eco-conscious guests. You're not just reducing expenses, you're building a greener, smarter hospitality experience. What this course covers. From rooftop panels to the electricity powering your lights, we'll walk you through every step. You'll learn how to choose the right panels, install them correctly, test and commission your system, and keep it running at peak performance every day. Hands-on focus. Forget heavy theory and complicated formulas. This course is built for doers. Every lesson is practical, direct, and designed for real hotel environments, so you can apply your skills the very same day. Supply and selection skills. Choosing the right panel is where success begins. You'll learn how to select panels, inverters, batteries, and mounting systems based on your hotel's needs and location, ensuring maximum output and reliability. Installation and commissioning. A great design means nothing without a great installation. We'll show you the safest and smartest ways to mount panels, wire connections, and set up your system. Plus, our commissioning checklist will make sure your first day of operation runs perfectly. Operation and maintenance. Solar works best when it's cared for. You'll discover simple ways to monitor system performance, keep panels clean, and make seasonal adjustments, so your PV system runs like it's brand new, year after year. Troubleshooting made easy. When things go wrong, you'll know exactly what to do. We'll teach you how to spot faults, decode inverter error messages, and fix common problems, so downtime is minimal, and guest comfort is never compromised. Real hospitality applications. Solar PV can power much more than lights. We'll explore how it can heat water, run pool pumps, and even store energy for backup during power cuts, all helping your hotel operate efficiently and sustainably. Learn from industry experts. And here's the best part, your learning won't be limited to videos. Our expert mentor will guide you through live weekend sessions with practical demonstrations, real tools, and real results. This is where your skills truly come to life. Take the next step. The hospitality industry needs skilled solar specialists, and you can be one of them. Register today on our LMS portal at HEGSDC. Come and start your journey to becoming the go-to solar PV expert for hotels.